Okay, so on this last assignment, you're going to use your final data from what you put here. We're collecting our class data so that tomorrow you can answer your last questions. So you should have put in numbers here, right? Because the greenfish don't survive, you set them aside. Now you were recording the surviving offspring because remember, the pollution killed off the algae. And so now the yellow fish are capable of surviving, but our green fish were not because they were not well camouflaged and predators were able to hunt them more easily. So our greenfish population, all of our greenfish died out. So you should have recorded the number you have left. So at this point, everyone should have 0 green fish, okay? Because there we go, 0 green fish. So there should be zeros on this column. But now you should record how many red fish did you have, how many yellow fish did you have, and how many orange fish you have. You should already have that information in here. If you don't, then you missed something in the previous assignment, so you need to back up and go back. But if you have put your numbers, remember, you should only have 1 row because this was designed to do as a whole group in class. Since we're not all together to fill this out, here's what you're going to do. This is going to be in this assignment right now. Okay, so you go click it open. You would put your name here. So if this were me, I would say Lori Pittman. Okay, and then I'm going to put in whatever my line that I put in for the class data looks like. I'm going to enter that in. So you might, I don't know. Everyone should have 0 green at this point since they were all killed off due to the pollution. But you might have 2 red fish. You might have 1 yellow fish and 2 orange fish. Okay, so you're going to put your class data in. So come in, find a row that doesn't have a name on it, put your name in, and enter your numbers. Tomorrow, we will use the class totals to answer the final questions on our fish sticks lab at the bottom. So once you've put your information in, you're finished. You cannot answer these last questions until you have come back tomorrow and looked at the class data.